All right, Cooley conquered. I think I'm the man. Not really. Am I at least getting any better in my cardio strength?
Well, you know, it's a little different working outdoors and conquering a coulee than it is
hitting a heavy bag.
Yes,
inside your gym. Okay, so we'll get beyond that, but we're excited for this event coming up on Saturday, June the 7th. Now run us through, I guess, the information on how to register and get involved.
People that want to register, they can actually go to our website at elevationfitnessclub.com, and there's a link that says Elevation Obstacle Races, and you can register online through Eventbrite, directly on the website or directly through Eventbrite. We also have Conquer the Coulee Facebook page that people can actually go on and see some pictures from the event that we did in October and see what's going on.
Yeah, kind of get an idea of if this is something that you want to do, right? So now you mentioned that you were looking for families possibly to register for rookie groups. So those who are intimidated, you know, if they look at some of these events and go, I don't know if I can do that. Well, there's novice and there's expert as well, right?
Yeah. Yeah, and we did divide it up that way on purpose so that people that, you know, they want to be a little more competitive, they can, and people that, you know, just want to try it just for the sake of trying it. We've got a heat specifically for them, or just, as I'd mentioned, just bringing your kids out and getting to experience it with them, and there's no pressure.
Okay, so it is Saturday, June the 7th is our registration deadline?
We'll probably end up taking registration up till right before, but if we had everything in probably about a week before, then at least it's easier to plan. So sooner you get registrations in, and watching for different discounts. Sometimes we have different things going on there too, so it's good just to kind of be on top of it. Make sure you get into the heat that you want to as well, so sooner the better. It's easier for planning and knowing how many people and making sure you get in.
It definitely is. Dana, thanks for joining us again. Always a pleasure.
Thanks, Dave.
All right, so we'll stay tuned for a little bit more from Kincolly Park right here on Shaw.